This journey begins in vast orchards, where grapefruits mature under careful farming and environmental control. Initial sorting protects factory efficiency by removing unsuitable grapefruit at the earliest stage. From orchard to road, grapefruit logistics transition into full-scale industrial transportation systems. With harvest complete, grapefruit leave the farm, while orchards prepare for future production. After harvest, grapefruit arrive at the factory, where industrial processing officially begins.
Gross weight is confirmed.
Batch number 789, origin El Sol. Logging it now.
Automated unloading moves grapefruit efficiently while protecting fruit structure and juice content.
Sensor technology evaluates grapefruit quality rapidly, supporting consistent juice and pulp production.
After inspection, grapefruit prepare for washing before juice and pulp extraction begins. Washing removes field contaminants, preparing grapefruit for safe, hygienic industrial processing. Brushing machines gently polish grapefruit, improving cleanliness without damaging natural protective skins. Digital sorting directs grapefruit efficiently, ensuring consistent quality for different processing needs. Cleaned and sorted, grapefruit stand ready for slicing, juicing, and pulp extraction. Precise mechanical slicing opens each grapefruit, preparing it for efficient juice and pulp extraction. Secondary pressing recovers remaining grapefruit juice, improving yield and reducing processing waste. Grapefruit pulp follows a parallel path, preserved for texture-focused product applications.
After extraction, grapefruit exists only as juice, pulp, and valuable byproducts.
Filtration removes fine solids, preparing grapefruit juice for stable, uniform processing.
Automated controls fine-tune grapefruit pulp thickness with exact industrial precision. Rapid cooling stabilizes grapefruit juice immediately after thermal treatment.
Processed grapefruit juice and pulp are now stabilized, awaiting final packaging operations.
Grapefruit peel is collected immediately, transforming waste into valuable industrial byproducts. Processed grapefruit peel supports agricultural reuse as nutritious animal feed ingredients.
Water treatment ensures grapefruit processing remains environmentally responsible and regulation compliant.
A modern grapefruit factory converts nearly every output into value, minimizing true waste.
Here, grapefruit juice enters packaging systems designed for speed, hygiene, and volume.
Sealing protects grapefruit juice from air exposure, extending shelf life safely.
Automated inspection ensures grapefruit juice packaging meets strict quality standards.
Packaged grapefruit juice is now ready to enter storage and global distribution networks.
Cold storage protects grapefruit juice quality while awaiting coordinated distribution across multiple markets.
Digital inventory systems track every grapefruit juice unit from factory to final delivery.
Seals are secure and the temperature log is verified.
Perfect. Let's hit the road.
Transport containers allow grapefruit juice to travel safely across oceans and continents. This complete system transforms fresh grapefruit into reliable grapefruit juice for global consumption.